In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitwarden to manage your passwords. We'll walk through the Bitwarden web vault together so you can quickly add items, generate strong credentials, securely share information, and manage imports, exports, and security reports with confidence. Start by opening the Bitwarden web vault in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, head to the vaults area. This is your home base where all of your items live. If your vault is empty, don't worry, we'll add a few things now. Select New to create your first item. You can choose a web login for websites, a card for payment info, an identity for autofilling personal details, a note for secure text, an SSH key entry, or even a folder to organize related items. Take a moment to give each item a clear name, add the URL for logins, and include any helpful notes. Organizing with folders now will save you time later, especially as your vault grows. Next, open Send. Bitwarden Send lets you securely share information without exposing sensitive details in plain text. It's great for one-time shares or short-lived links when you need to pass along a note or a file securely. The recipient doesn't need full access to your vault. They simply receive a protected link. Now, go to Tools. This section is packed with features that make strong security easy. Start with Password. The password generator creates long, complex passwords using letters, numbers, and symbols. You can adjust the length and rules to meet a site's requirements. Aim for longer where possible. Longer passwords are harder to crack and easy to store safely in Bitwarden. Switch to passphrase if you want something more memorable. A passphrase strings together multiple random words, often with a separator. This gives you plenty of security with better recall, especially useful for accounts you type often. Next, open username. A unique username per site reduces tracking and makes credential stuffing attacks less effective. Let Bitwarden generate random usernames so you're not reusing the same handle everywhere. When you're ready to bring in existing passwords, select Import. Choose the source format that matches your old manager or a CSV file, and carefully review the mapping so logins land in the right fields. Do this on a trusted device and delete any temporary files afterwards. To create a backup, choose Export. Keep exported data secure, store it in an encrypted location, and remove it when you're done. Finally, check reports. Here you'll find insights on weak, reused, or exposed passwords so you can fix issues fast. Use these reports regularly to keep your digital life locked down and tidy.